go. Take a deep breath in. All the way out. There we go. Nice. So I'm gonna go a little bit higher, okay? Deep breath in for me.
Sweet. I had to like learn how to.
Okay, good.
Like that's another thing. I've learned how to take a deep breath in.
Yeah.
It's freaking me out.
Good. And then all the way out. And there we go.
God damn it. That was so sharp.
Okay, let me check the low back real quick. Let's see here. 1 second, so I'm checking it. Okay, so let me have you go on your side, facing this way. Okay, so again, you're gonna bend this knee, can bring it up and just let that drop down and relax. And then this arm will cross over right here. Good. So I'm gonna rotate you this way and just kind of relax the best you can, okay? Good. There we go. Flip over on the other side.
What do people not move that much? I mean, you seem to enjoy it. I'm just
Yeah,
curious.
so it's funny because like everyone's a little different. There's some people like I'll like bring their knee up and it'll just be like pop, 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 like super easy.
I wish she would
And
do that.
then there's some people bring their leg up and like I'm trying to just kind of rotate their hips a little bit and it's like nothing.
Wow.
So I'm doing like a full just like body drop and it'll get one like little like dink and I'm like, geez, like okay.
Wow.
I was like, so we got something. Yeah, so like some people are just like naturally like rooms, yeah.
Okay. That was already.
Yeah, I felt that.
As I say, I'm thinking about it now, so I'm trying to.
You good?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take you this way. Good. There we go. A little bit. Flip over on your back. We'll raise this up a little bit.
Sweat, grease on that.
Let's see here.
My arms like.
Yeah, you're like don't know what to do.
They don't even know how to fall. It kind of hurts.
Alright, so we're gonna go on this right side first. Good. We're just gonna relax. There we go. And then...
Oh.
Wow.
You good?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm just gonna stretch this out. There we go. Okay, so which side was it? It was this side or you wanted to...
Yes, please. Yes,
Okay,
please. Because
so-
this one just like is. I mean, it's my rib side, but it has so much more.
So you're gonna stay laying like that. Just kind of slide down towards your feet on the table. And actually, let me go on this side for it. So you're on a leg lap. So what you'll do is you're gonna take your arms, kind of cross them like you're hugging yourself. Yep. So now I'm gonna roll you towards me a little bit. So bring it this way. So we're gonna roll
Oh yes, something in there. Something
Okay.
there's not working.
So we're gonna roll back. Take a deep breath in. And then, yep, all the way out. Okay?
Yeah.
Alright, you want to relax your arms? Pretty good shift right there. Alright, can you go ahead and sit up for me? So, okay?
Yes. Yeah.
Alright, do you want to do therapy again, another?